Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mielle Rosemary Mint oil for your beard. Start with a clean, damp beard. First, ensure your beard is freshly washed with a gentle shampoo and then towel dried until it's just damp. This crucial step prepares your hair follicles and the skin beneath to absorb the oil effectively, ensuring maximum benefit from the nourishing ingredients. Having a clean canvas is key. Now, let's move on to applying the oil. Dispense about 2 to 3 drops of Mielle Rosemary Mint oil directly into the palm of your hand. Gently rub your hands together for a few seconds to slightly warm the oil. This simple action helps with better absorption into your beard and skin. Then, work the oil through your beard, ensuring even coverage from root to tip. After applying the oil, the next important step is to massage it in. Gently massage the oil into your beard and the skin underneath for a good 2 to 3 minutes. Use your fingertips to really work it into the skin, stimulating blood flow, which is beneficial for healthy hair growth. Finally, comb through your beard to evenly distribute the oil, ensuring every strand receives nourishment. For optimal results and to truly see the benefits, incorporate Mielle Rosemary Mint oil into your beard care routine 3 to 4 times per week. Consistent use can lead to a noticeably softer, healthier, and fuller-looking beard over time. Plus, a significant advantage is how it helps alleviate dryness and itchiness, keeping the skin beneath your beard comfortable and well-nourished. Enjoy your revitalized beard.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.